Howdy y'all. On today's video, we'll be doing Measuring Tape Basics Part 6. This is a little known fact about tape measures that a lot of folks don't know in the trades and trying to measure certain things. We'll be using 4 different tape measures as examples today. These 3 naturally are newer ones. So not new, but newer. And this one, I believe, is from the 80s. Been using it all my life. Still enjoy using that one. But what we're going to go over today is on the back of all these, or the modern 3, there's a measurement on the back. So right there, and then on the front of the older one, it has a measurement there. And what that is if you place this somewhere and you need the measurement that's written on here, that is the width or length, whichever way you're doing it, of the tape measure. So this one is 2 1/4. This one is 3 inches. This one is 4 inches. And this one is 2 3/4 inches. So let's see that on the whiteboard and it'll make a little bit more sense, hopefully. Alrighty, so now we have our measurements on the whiteboard. These are to scale. So if we look at this one, it is 2 1/4. This one is 2 3/4. This one is 3 inches, and this one is 4 inches. Now, on the front of this one, it does say 2 1/4 inch. So if we were to set this somewhere, or if we use all of our measuring tape up and we're trying to find a spot, or another option, you have a certain amount, but you don't want to have your tape measure hanging off of something, you just go to the end to make your mark, or trying to find the measurement, you would use 2 1/4 for this length. So just so you have 6 inches right on the line there, and you have this, you'd have 8 1/4 inches total. So that is 2 1/4. This one is 2 3/4. This one is 3 inches. And this one is 4 inches. Now, one thing I will add, personal preference, out of these 2, or out of the 3 different designs, since this one's basically the same, 3 different designs, I dislike this one the most, because if we look at our measuring tape, the 4 inches actually extends out to up here, whereas these, the measurement extends from the bottom to the bottom. Reason I'll prefer that more for when I'm measuring things out, especially at work, is if I'm trying to draw out a line, I don't want to be trying to figure out which point I need to have my pencil, pen, soapstone, silver streak, whatever those little lumber crayons are called. I don't want to be trying to figure out which part of this circular backside I need to line it up with. I would prefer if it were down here, but that's not the case with that one. Whereas this one, it is the bottom. You can line up whatever your marking tool is. So we can do here's our 4 inch mark right there. So we can see it does go past that bottom end. And I don't care for that too much. It does extend, as it appears, up there. So that is Measuring Tape Basics Part 6. If you're using these and you need to have it to where it don't fall off, you can use whatever the measurement says on the back, or if it's an older tape measure, it might be on the front for your measurement. That way your tape measure ain't falling off nothing. Or if you expend all your tape measure and you need to use a little extra bit, it does help. So hope you all enjoyed the video. Stay safe on the job site. We'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you on the next one, y'all.